Introducing this video by Jamal Hussain Shah. Today I will discuss the payload obfuscation, evasion, penetration testing of an API endpoint. The payload obfuscation evasion is a technique used to disguise or modify malicious input or payload to bypass security controls like firewall or filter. It involves altering the payload's format, encoding structure without changing its functionality, and make it harder for the detection system to identify its malicious. So in order to, we have created the three API endpoints. One is this post, and we have payload, and it encoded the test into this. Second is the API endpoint. It will decode the, as you can see, this decode showing the test. Okay. And the third one is to convert the data into the MD5 hash. As you can see, this is. So we have created this. As you can see, we have created the lab. This is the Python script, and this all we have to set the vulnerable API, and we have running the port 5000 as in local server. So the thing is that firstly we check, as you can see, we have encoded the test, and it shows a is equal to. If we will do, if I will put place an curl command, the same results is shown here. And with just we second is the, if we see the admin, the curl dash x post and dash h is a content type application JSON, and data we will put in the admin, and this is the URL. As you can see, this URL and this URL same. So we will enter, and it will show this 4 is equal to. So if I will place a data here, and click send data, oh sorry, admin, it will show same as that 4 is equal to. So in order to understand the this API is how it's working. Okay, so the thing is that this is okay, and this we have another command curl, and this is the MD5, and we place a put test, and we will enter. It will show the F6. So if you will come here, and we will come on to the third one, API endpoint, if we'll set the test, it will show F6 the same. So I'm just explain how it's work on the curl and how it's work on the post in Postman. So now we will do attack. This one command wfus. As you can see, this is wfus dash z, and this is the file, and we have created the evasion underscore wfus.txt, and we just, as you can see, this is the data, and you can see that this payload is same as here in the terminal, and this is the dash h content type application. This is the URL, same as the above. Now we first the data, and we will enter. It will show a long list of 200. It means this API is totally vulnerable with all these points. Shows test passwords. So we will select the one. Like I will select the one at the admin. Show this encoded. If I will show this admin, it will show 4 is equal to A. So in this way, if there is any hidden sensitive information, the hacker can easily be fetch sensitive information. In the real world, the API with the endpoints like base64 encoding and decoding, MD5 hashing are used to be various purposes, such as the data encoding, file transfer, and password hashing. However, such endpoints are often implemented with added security measures, are less likely to expose without proper access control. So this is very important. I hope you will understand this whole scenario. Payload, obfuscation, evasion, penetration testing of an API point. The obfuscation means difficult to understand. So the name as suggests, the payload, obfuscation, evasion, penetration testing. So this is all about the payload of obfuscation, evasion, penetration testing of a API point. We will come on to the next topic in next video. From this point, this is not the end of attacking. This is the step one in in penetration testing. We have successfully done the penetration testing as we have seen the previous procedures. But the thing is that we in this level we have further exploitation steps in order to move forward, and the attacker will do more things onwards, applying procedures in order to exploit the all the data. So it is very important for the developers to mitigate the this properly access control is applied in the application in order to move further from other hackers to show the data exposure in their application. So this is all.